everybody. Today in this video, I'll discuss exercise 2.3 from the chapter polynomials. So in the first questions you can see, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So Roman 1, they have given the value of px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, as well as the value of gx also given, which is x square minus 2. We need to find out the value of quotient and remainder. It means that we need to find out the value of qx and rx. Those two values we need to find out for each question. So there is a formula we know, px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So let me explain this formula with the help of an example. Suppose let me divide 25 by 4. So 4 6 are 24. Here 5 minus 4 is 1. So this 1 is, we know, it's called remainder, which we can write as rx. 6 is the quotient, we can write it qx. Here 4 is called gx and this 25 is px. So ultimately we can write 25 is equal to 4 into 6, this 4 6 are 24, 4 into 6 plus 1, that is 25. So if this 25 is px, as we say 4 is called gx into 6 is qx plus 1 is rx. So this is how the formula forms with the help of an example. Now let's start solving the first mesh. The first mesh, they have given the value of px and gx. Let's start. It means that we initially divide px by gx. So we'll divide x square minus 2 to 3x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So this is px, we are dividing it by gx. Now the first term of this polynomial we can say x cube, and here it is x square. So as you know, x square into x is x cube. So we'll write x, means x square x time becomes x cube. So x cube. Now x square into x square, already x cube. What remaining? Minus 2 remaining. So x into minus 2, which becomes minus 2x. So this minus 2x will put just below the similar term. Here 5x. So we'll write below 5x minus 2x. Here the sign gets changed. From plus it becomes minus, and from minus it becomes plus. So top is plus and here down is minus. So we can cancel x cube, x cube. What remaining? Minus 3x square. This minus sign change into plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7. That is plus 7x minus 3. Now we will divide minus 3x square by x square. So x square how many times minus 3x square? If we multiply x square into minus 3, so here will become x square into minus 3, means minus 3 into x square becomes minus 3x square. Now remaining minus 2. So minus 3 into minus 2 is minus minus plus, 3 into 2 is 6. We'll just put below 3. That is a constant term. Means similar term will put just below each other. So 6 is a constant, we just put below 3. Now this minus will change into plus, this plus will change into minus. It means that always the down part symbols always get changed. Now minus 3x square plus 3x square, we can cancel it. 7x remains same. This minus 3 minus 6, that is minus minus plus. 6 plus 3 is 9 and symbol is minus symbol. That is 7x minus 9. So ultimately we cannot divide anything more by 7x minus 9 by x square minus 2, because this term is bigger. Here the highest power is 2 and highest power is 1. So we cannot divide 7x by x square. So this is our remainder and this is the quotient. So ultimately we can write, therefore quotient, that is qx is equal to x minus 3, as we got the value here, and remainder, that is Rx, which you got the value as 7x minus 9. So this is our answer. Now let's start solving question number 2, that is 1 Roman 2. Here px they have given x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and gx they have given x square plus 1 minus x. So here we can arrange it, x square plus 1 minus x, x square, this minus x will bring in front, plus 1. We'll just arrange this gx here. Now we'll divide px by gx. So first we'll write gx as x square minus x plus 1. Now we can see the px. Here the highest power is 4, then it comes 2, then it comes 1, then nothing means 0. So whenever there is a gap, that is after 4 there is 2. So after 4 the power comes 3. So when there is a gap, we will put a gap here. That is after 4 it's coming directly to. So in place of x to the power 4 minus 3x square, we'll just give a gap here. Then we'll write minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This cubic term is not there, we're just giving a gap here. Now the first term will divide by the first term, that is x square into x square becomes x to the power 4. X square into x square becomes x to the power 4. Now remaining minus x plus 1. So x square into minus x becomes minus of x cube. Why you have given gap? Because as cubic terms is not there, so that is the reason. Once we give gap, we can put the cubic terms below of that. Now x square into plus 1, which is x square. Now we can see the similar terms, we can find it out just because of this gap. Now this sign will change the bottom part, it will become minus, it will become plus, this plus becomes minus. So here x to the power 4, x to the 4 get cancelled. Minus x cube turns to plus x cube, we can write here. Now minus 3x square minus x square, which is minus of 4x square, means minus minus plus, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 4x plus 5. Now what we'll do, the same term, the next term will divide again by x square minus x plus 1. So x square, how many times x cube? X square into x becomes x cube. As the sign is plus, we'll write plus x. So x into x square is x cube. Now with this x we will multiply the next two terms. So x into minus x is minus x square, and plus x into 1 is plus x. In the same way we'll change the symbol. This plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, again this plus becomes minus. So we can cancel x cube because plus and minus. So minus 4x square plus x square. Here plus minus minus. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And the sign will be minus. So minus of 3x square. Again plus minus minus, so 4x minus x is 3x. And the sign will be the bigger. So 3x plus 5. Now again we will divide this term by gx. So x square how many times becomes minus 3x square? If you multiply x square into minus 3 into x square, it becomes minus of 3x square. Now with the help of minus 3, we will multiply the rest two terms, that is minus x plus 1. Minus 3 into minus x, which is minus minus plus 3x, and minus 3 into 1 plus 1, which is minus 3. If we change the symbol, plus minus, so we can see we can cancel these two, as well as we can cancel these two also, because plus minus minus, and this minus turns into plus. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we cannot divide 8 anymore with this term, so this is our ultimately remainder. Therefore quotient, that is qx, we get this as a quotient, which is x square plus x minus 3, and remainder Rx we get as 8. So this is our answer. Let's solve 1 Roman 3. In the questions they said px is equal to x to the power 4 minus px plus 6, and the value of gx they have given 2 minus x square. So this 2 minus x square we can write minus of x square plus 2. Why minus of x square plus 2? Because as you can see, the first term of the px is x to the power 4, which is a variable. Just to match with this, we'll bring the variable in front, that is minus x square plus 2. So let's start. So we'll divide x to the power 4. We can see here, after x to the power 4, the highest power is 4, then it comes 3, then it comes 2, then 1. Here there is no cubic or square power, so that is after 4, the power is directly 1. So that is the reason we'll give a gap here. So I'll give a gap here, then I'll write minus 5x plus 6. Now the first term divided by the first term. So x to the power 4 divided by minus x square. So once we multiply minus x square into minus x square, minus minus plus, and x square becomes x to the power 4. We get x to the power 4. Now what remaining? Plus 2 remaining. So minus x square into plus 2, we can write minus of 2x square. This plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus. So we can cancel x to the power 4, x to the power 4. Here we get 2x square, and the upper symbol there is no change, minus 5x plus 6. Again 2x square, how many times? Minus x square, so means minus x square into minus 2, minus minus plus 2 into x square plus 2x square. So minus 2 into remaining plus 2 is minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4. Sorry, plus minus minus and 2 2s are 4. It is minus 4. Again we'll change the symbol here. So this get cancelled. We can write minus 5x plus 10. Now see, here the highest power is 2 and the highest power is 1. So we cannot divide this one by this one. So this is our ultimate remainder, and this is the quotient. Therefore quotient we get in this equation qx is equal to minus x square minus 2 and remainder rx, which we get minus 5x plus 10. So this is our solution.